I've got another great tip for you on how you can avoid overpaying for an income property. When you want to buy an income property, just imagine, say, a 6-unit apartment building. Well, that seller out there, they want to make it look to you like their property produces a high income and low expenses. That way, that seller can get you to pay a high price for the property. And that's because apartment buildings and other real estate is valued based on the net income that it produces. And that net operating income, or NOI, that's nothing to be intimidated by. NOI is simply a property's rent income minus its operating expenses like property tax, utilities, and repairs. So here's what you do when you write an offer to the prospective seller. Make your offer contingent upon seeing that seller's Schedule E. What's Schedule E? It's their property's financial statement that they submit annually to the IRS. And why do you want to see Schedule E? Well, that's because the seller wants to pay as few taxes as possible. Therefore, their Schedule E that they send to the IRS could show the opposite of what I told you earlier. The seller is incentivized to report a low income and high expenses. Now, this right here is exactly how you gain leverage and negotiating power. When you make a purchase offer on a property, make it contingent upon seeing that seller's Schedule E. That's how to avoid overpaying for an income property. Hey, this is your host, Keith Weinhold here. You just heard a snippet from a recent Get Rich Education podcast, the show that has created more passive income for people than nearly any show in the world. If you like wealth building content like this, well, I deliver it like this every week. And the easiest way for you to listen to every audio show, free and on demand, is with your Get Rich Education app on both Apple and Android. I look forward to talking with you more over there on the Get Rich Education app.